Rock sheet is a natural stone veneer that is used in interior design to create beautiful and unique surfaces. There are several benefits of using rock sheet in interior designing work, including durability. Rock sheet is a durable material that can withstand wear and tear over time, making it ideal for high-traffic areas such as lobbies, hallways, and living rooms. Versatility. Rock sheet can be used in a variety of ways to create different effects, from creating a feature wall to adding a natural texture to floors, ceilings, or even furniture. Aesthetics. Rock sheet provides a unique and natural aesthetic that can be used to create a stunning visual impact in any interior design project. It is available in a range of colors and patterns, allowing designers to choose the perfect look for their project. Sustainability. Rock sheet is an environmentally friendly material, as it is made from natural stone and does not require any chemical processing. Additionally, it has a long lifespan and can be recycled or reused when it reaches the end of its useful life. Maintenance. Rock sheet requires minimal maintenance, as it is resistant to staining, scratching, and other forms of damage. It can be easily cleaned with soap and water, making it ideal for busy commercial spaces. Overall, rock sheet is an excellent choice for interior designers who want to create unique and durable surfaces that are both beautiful and sustainable.